How to cancel Milestone Credit Card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to milestonegoldcard.com. Once you're here, you want to log into your account. For that, click on the My Account option. Here on this login portal, enter your username, then enter your password. Now click on the login option. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link to retrieve it. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to head over to the Account Services option. Then over there, you will find the option of Card Cancellation. If you do not find it, you want to search for the option called Close Account or Cancel Card. Once you find that option, you want to follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the cancellation process. You will have to confirm your decision and provide a reason for cancellation. After completing the process, you should receive a confirmation that your card has been cancelled. This is going to be displayed on the screen or sent in your registered email address. Make sure that your account balance is paid off, and if there is any remaining balance, you will need to pay it off even after the card is cancelled. If you cannot find this option, you can contact the customer service as well. On the website, click on the customer service option and then select the FAQ option. From there, you can very easily find the number of customer service. You can directly call the Milestone customer service and tell them about your issue, and they will help you further. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.